And part of that's because the money is so small.
Yeah.
And you can't even pay one person's salary for 9 months if they're a senior person
Right.
with the NIAC phase one. But you get to dream big and figure out how to make it possible. And it's made a big difference, I think. There are many different examples. I'll just choose one or two. The
Mm,
star shade, which was considered as an occulter to a
mm,
space telescope, where you could fly a space telescope and then put this star shade a long way out in front of it, maybe even
mm,
100,000 kilometers in front of it, and fly it in between a star
mm,
and the telescope just right so that it blocked only the star's light and you could
mm,
catch the star's reflected light off of a planet. That became one of the major contenders for the follow-on to James Webb Space Telescope. Now, they went with
mm,
an internal occulter because of
mm.
risk,
Yeah.
but it was a serious consideration and it made real progress happen on both the internal occulter and
Mm,
the external starshade. So really interesting. And there was a company started up in the Washington area, Seattle, Washington area,
mm,
that has Helion Energy that has received it. It got its start
mm,
partially from NIAC funding for looking at how you could do nuclear type propulsion through
mm,
fission as opposed
mm.
to fusion, which is what's been discussed in the past. Project Orion, if folks want
Yep.
to go look that up, was a fission thing. Well, what if you could do fusion, even pulsed fusion?
Mm.
And that's what Helion was looking at. And now they are one of the top contenders for fission power
Hmm.
generation.